So we're making this Quincy bag. It's beautiful. It can be used as a purse and as anything. So let's get right to it. And this is the pattern for it. So I'm going to trace my pattern on this light fox leather, and I'm going to add 1/2 inch all around the pattern, and I'll be cutting 2 of this. So I'm going to cut the strap exactly as I have on the pattern with no allowance. I just love the strap the way it is. So at the top of the adjoining piece, I'm going to add 1.5 inches allowance, and then I'm going to add 1/2 inch allowance all around it and cut out. So I'm going to be cutting this out on fold. So I repeated the same process for the lining except strap. I didn't cut strap for the lining. So these are my back pieces. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on your bell notification. Also give this video a thumbs up because I know you enjoy it. So I'm going to be adding an interfacing just because I want the bag to have a little stiff texture because the fabric I use is light. So I'll be using collar stay for this. So it's time to put our pieces together. So join the middle point of the bag bodies and that of the adjoining piece together and sew by 1/2 inch, just like I'm doing here. So center to center, and so the interfacing I added made it a little bit difficult to sew this because it's leather does not really go well with interfacing. So but I pulled through. I did it anyways. So you can see how it is. You see that little stiffness that I was going for. So repeat the same process, and you're also going to do this thing for the lining piece of the bag. So now we're done with the bag. Let's work on the strap. So fold your strap into 2 and just sew the normal way we sew straps. After sewing, turn the strap inside out and you're ready. So this is the outcome. You see how stiff it is. Without that interfacing, you wouldn't have been this stiff because the leather was really light. It's like the lightest of all leather. The leather is not actually for sewing bag, it's for a skirt, but I decided to use it. So it's time to fix our zip, and this is actually the tricky part. Well, not so tricky, just fixing zip the way you fix it for your clothes. Ensure the straps are inside before you fix the zip. So I'm done fixing the zip. This is how it looks, and next thing is to fix the lining and finish up this bag. So on the bottom part of the lining, I left a 5-inch space. This is where I'm going to insert my hand to turn this inside out. So fix the lining inside the bag, and so I'm actually, this process is really, I don't know how to explain this process, but I'm just going to show you guys. So you see, it's like I sewed the lining on top of the bag. I actually used needle and thread because it was really stiff. It was really difficult for my machine to pull through, so I had to sew it with needle and thread. So through the 5-inch opening I left, I'm going to turn this bag inside out, and we're done with it. So this is it, all turned, all beautiful, looking gorgeous, and you see how the lining is clean and everything is just nice. So that is it, we're done. So this is a simple bag that can be done within 30 minutes. Thank you all for staying with me. Subscribe if you have not, and follow me on Instagram at official_Sean Achim and on TikTok Sean Achim. See you later. I love you. Bye.